What's up and welcome to Trial and Error, where I go out and try different types of photography, something that I've either never done before or have very little experience in. Most likely make errors, but hopefully the results look awesome. In today's episode, we're going to be checking out this cool building close to our downtown. It's one of our museums here in Dallas, Texas. Perot Museum of Nature and Science is located in Victory Park here in Dallas, Texas. The museum was named in honor of Margot and Ross Perot. Designed by architect Tom Main and his firm Morphosis Architect. The building has 6 floors and stands about 14 stories high. The museum opened to the public on December 1st, 2012. Once again, I open up all the images in Bridge, select my favorites, get them sorted out, and drop them into Lightroom. So in Lightroom, all I'm doing is bringing down exposure levels, upping the contrast levels, dropping down some of the highlights, just doing the basic adjustments. Now that I have the image open in Photoshop, I'm going through, I'm going to just adjust the contrast levels again, go in and then darken in some of the shadows and just kind of make the image pop a bit. Once again, I shot all these using my Sony a7 III and the Tamron 28-75 lens. For these images, I decided to select the subject and get rid of the backgrounds. Just because of how gray everything was, I just wanted to change it up a bit. So you see here, I'm trying different backgrounds to see what'll work, what won't. And then made some level adjustments to just kind of make the image work together. Here are the final results. Vibe check, how are you feeling? Did you like those photos? Did I do too much in post? So I still have a few other buildings to show you guys to continue this series on architecture. And then I've got other photo shoots coming up so I can show you some product photography and maybe some portrait photography. Let me know if you'd like to see some of that stuff too. Once again, thank you guys for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Leave a comment below, interact with us, ask some questions, and once again, subscribe if you can. Things that I can show you guys so that we can continue